Welcome back to Arts Core. Before we begin, I would like to give a shout out for suggesting this video. The materials I'm using is a 4B pencil, an eraser stick, and a blender. Start by drawing a guideline. Remember that these lines should be fairly light as you will be erasing them eventually. The distance here can vary depending on the size of the fist. Now start by drawing semicircles for the fingers. The top of these semicircles should touch the guideline. Now draw a circle here, and then from the left side, start drawing the thumb. Extend the thumb all the way to the wrist. Now draw 3 lines for the fingers and finish off the shape by drawing semicircles. Now from the right side, finish off the fist and attach it all the way to the wrist. Now draw some palm lines and also add the nails. Go ahead and erase the guidelines and start shading in the shown areas. Use the blender to blend out the shaded areas. Remember to leave some areas fairly light to give the effect. And this is how you can draw a hand. I hope you guys liked the video and thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you can check out my other videos for more tutorials.